Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you guys are back here, and it is one of my favorite times, or one of the 4 favorite times of the year for me as a fashion blogger, a lifestyle blogger. You guys, it's FabFitFun time. As you can tell by the title, it is time to open the magnificent fall FabFitFun Box. Dun da da da! And it's beautiful as always. I just got this today. As always, I have not opened this yet. I am seeing everything for the first time with y'all. So we're gonna go through this together. I'm gonna show you guys all the products, my customizations that I did this time, and my add-on that I do, and we're gonna talk about the charity, like always. So we're gonna get started into this. We're gonna start with the charity that is with FabFitFun this season. The charity that is with FabFitFun for the fall is City of Hope. And I'm gonna read this off so I don't mistake anything as to what the City of Hope does. So City of Hope is a comprehensive cancer center and independent biomedical research institution located outside of Los Angeles, California. They are a world leader in the research and treatment of cancer and other serious diseases, and the donations from the add-ons in all of the boxes help speed life-saving research to patients all over the world. And that is super huge, and as somebody who deals with cancer, who has had family members who have had breast cancer, colon cancer, stomach cancer, thyroid cancer, all of it, I am pretty supportive of everything I can possibly do for cancer. I work with the Breast Cancer Awareness Organization. I have for years. I think it's one of the coolest organizations to work with. But City of Hope is still magnificent. All the research they are doing is amazing. So for my add-on, like I do every box, I do the donate a small amount of money towards City of Hope, just so I can give a small amount and give back in some sort of way. And it's awesome. You can pay $1, you can do $5, you can do $10, you can put in how much you want. But it's awesome, and that was the add-on. I donated money to the City of Hope for this season's box. So, love it. I think it's a great organization, and I think it should be something that we all support. So, diving into the box now. I have not opened this. I have just seen the outside, which, by the way, I know y'all are used to all of the very creative and very detailed boxes. This is so simple and so beautiful at the same time. I think it's so important too to go along with the City of Hope. Just the hearts and how beautiful it is and simple, and it's just perfect for the fall. It's got these beautiful fall colors, so love it. Good job, FabFitFun, with the design of the box again. All right, so opening this for the first time. Dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at the inside. I'm not gonna show you guys the box yet, but look at the inside of that. That is so beautiful. It is all of these women lifting weights, working, shopping, reading. It's amazing. I mean, dancing. So incredible, FabFitFun. You guys have done an amazing job with this again. Like, truly amazing job. Okay, you guys, so opening the box, we of course have our basics on the top. And as always, we have our FabFitFun magazine. And this month it is, or this season I should say, it is Meghan Trainor, which I think is so fantastic. And because this is a huge empowering women box, she is kind of the feature for this, on giving ways on how she hopes to empower women and how she's doing it right now, which I think is so fantastic. So Meghan Trainor is the cover for this. And then we of course then have our little code that all of us members get, so we can share it with y'all, and so y'all can get $15 off your first FabFitFun box, which I think is so cool that we're able to give it to people around us. Just more giving and sharing that I love. And then of course we have the HelloFresh $80 gift card that they send to us, which is amazing. I'm actually getting ready to sign up for this because school is getting ready to be back in session, so I'm gonna use this to get some free meals. All right, y'all ready? I'm ready. This is really exciting. Okay, so opening this up, let's see where it goes. Ripping the paper. Always so sad. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. So excited. Okay, so first thing I see when I open this are these amazing Bubble Bar Farah ear crawlers. So I'm a huge earring person and I love Bubble Bar. I think they're so cool. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but that's how I've always said it. But they're so beautiful, and it's just these simple little earrings that fall down. And as soon as I saw that they were one of my customizations, I immediately put them in my cart because I was so excited to get something from Bubble Bar, something new. So love these earrings, and I think they're so beautiful, and I can wear them a ton of places when I'm going out. All right, so the next thing is from Wonder Beauty. And these are baggage claim gold eye mask, and there are 6 in here. So I'm gonna open the box real quick. And all it looks like, and they come in these packets. And of course then, you'll know what they look like. They're the gold, and you put them underneath your eyes. Great, I suggest using them when you're on an airplane, which I think is actually kind of the name to go along with it. Suggest wearing them on an airplane or when you're getting ready for a really big event, something like that, to just like revive your face and your eyes and your under eyes. Super important. So I love this, and I love that these are gold. I haven't tried the gold yet. I just have tried the Tarte Beauty ones, which I love. But so I'm excited to try these finally. All right, so next thing we got in here is from After Spa, and it's a hair towel. Very cool. So hands-free, lightweight, drying hair towel. So I am the girl, when you get out of the shower, I have my hair tied up in my towel on the top of my head. And this is just a smaller version of it. And instead of using the big towel and everything like that, you can wear these in the shower. You can wear these as soon as you get out of the shower. But love this. I love that I have this now, so I don't have to put a big huge towel on top of my short cut hair right now. So totally gonna use this. All right, so the next thing, this is one of my other customizations, and this is cut from the cloth, and this is a slim striped wallet. And what I love is that even it's the simple things and the details that even though it's just a wallet, it still comes in this nice, really nice little bag that makes it so when you're not using it, it doesn't get damaged, and you can put it in here and it's by itself, and it's really nice. But I'm kind of was in need of a new wallet, and I kind of love it. It's just that easy stripe pattern. It opens up like this, and it has your simple ID right here, and then the regular card holders. You have a pocket right here to put your cash and stuff like that. Everything is really simple, and I love that because sometimes I find myself with too much in my wallet. So definitely gonna use this. Probably gonna switch it over as soon as I'm done with this, actually, because I've had my other wallet for about 7 years, and it's the greatest wallet ever. But it's, I think, time to give it a little rest and let it chill for a little bit. So cut from the cloth. All right, so next thing we got is actually Aveda, and I'm really excited because I've used Aveda products before, but this I have never used. This is a Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. And I have pretty thick hair. Instant visible repair protects from heat styling. So when my hair isn't natural like this, which it is natural today because I didn't have anywhere important to be today. When I don't have it looking natural, I straighten it. That is how I get it straight, and that's how I get it, I want to say, maintainable, which is the easiest word to say, to describe it. So I use heat a lot in my hair, so this will be perfect to make sure that it doesn't get damaged and that it really protects it. And it's super easy. This is how you use it. It's a leave-in treatment too. Shake well, work a small amount of product into your hands, apply through damp hair, and comb to distribute. Do not rinse. Super easy. Just put it in as soon as you get out of the shower. That's all you gotta do. All you have to do. And then you just style it. So super excited to use this. Oh, it smells so good too. Oh my god. Okay. Can't wait to use it. So the next thing we have in here is this really cool bottle. And this is Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience. It's a body souffle. It's vegan and cruelty-free, natural, and it's naturally derived. Look how cool that bottle is. Like, I just think that's so cool. So, lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, Human and Kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Here's how to use it. Apply as needed to soothe and moisturize the skin. And you guys, the first ingredient on this is water. How amazing is that? Human and Kind. I'm gonna see how it smells because I'm a huge smell person. Oh, that smells amazing, you guys. I wish you guys could smell this. Like, this is fantastic. I love skincare stuff that smells so good because it just makes it more enjoyable to use. All right, so one of the last things we have in here, Harper & Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. It's a sugar exfoliant juice cleanse. Look at how cool these are. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's how to use it. Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over your wet skin. Concentrating on rough patches. Recommended uses twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. For body only. Wow. This is super cool. And they're these like green, the like mintish light green cubes. And they're so cool. I'm excited to use these because I feel like I need like that rough stuff on my skin because I have such sensitive and bumpy skin that I feel like that will be amazing to use. All right, guys, I'm so excited about this box. All right, last thing in here is my last customization item. And the last thing I did was this Amika, I'm looking at my thing, Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. So excited. Oh my god, it's the same color too. I'm so excited. Stop. So cool. Okay, and then you got the on and off on the inside as well as the temperature. And it goes up to 450 degrees. And it's, the lowest is 140. You guys, the fact that all of this stuff I just showed you is $281 and I paid $50. That's it. I paid $50 for all of this and this is a total value of $281. I'm telling you guys, you need to go check out FabFitFun. They are truly, truly, truly amazing. And everything they stand for, how they empower women, how they are here to support different organizations and different companies, whether small or big, is truly amazing. And you guys, you just need to go check them out because it is super amazing. I'm gonna leave FabFitFun linked down below so you guys can just go straight to the website and get your box. I'm not even kidding you, get your fall box. And I truly believe you will not regret it at all, like at all. It's one of the best things that I've ever signed up for. And I think I've been actually having this box come to me for a year or a year and a half now. And I love it. When it wouldn't do another box, it's so good. It's just so good. So you guys, I'm going to leave FabFitFun link down below as well as all the products in this box. So if you want to go check them out, you can go check them out some more. I have a ton of stuff coming your way. I'm very, very excited. I was super behind for a little bit, but I'm getting caught up and bringing it all to you guys. So you guys, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to join this awesome family. And we are wacky and crazy and we do a lot of awesome stuff here. So I will see you guys back here next time. Bye y'all.